Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Coverings. We're glad you could join us today. For those of you who I haven't had the pleasure of meeting yet, my name is Ben Lampi. I'm the Group Product Manager at LATICRETE, in charge of both our grouts, profiles and trims, and also our caulks and sealants. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how color can not only elevate your design, but also impact the functionality of it. We're also going to touch on how LATICRETE can help the color selection process, simplifying that process altogether. We at LATICRETE believe that color is not just an aesthetic choice. It also provides the functionality for the space. Whether you're going for visual harmony, you want to create brand identity, or you want to accent a key design choice, color can do all those. Just for fun, can anybody name what restaurant that is in the middle? Five Guys, right? Look how a simple color palette can reinforce a brand right there. But color is just not an aesthetic choice. It also influences the mood and how a space is perceived. We can use it to open up a space by using light tones, right? Making it feel more airy. We can also make a space feel more warm and comforting by using earthy or natural tones. But that design and color choice doesn't stop with the tile. It also extends to the fixtures and to the accessories they use. That's especially important when we often overlook grout, profiles and trims, and also the caulks and sealants. Often these are afterthoughts, and you end up rushing, and you have to settle for something that's just close enough. We always suggest that you include these early on in your design decision, so it can have the maximum impact. To help with those design goals, we have a palette of 40 expertly curated colors. These allow you to achieve consistency across a variety of products. It also allows for a seamless and cohesive look and eliminates the hassle of trying to find colors from multiple manufacturers or suppliers. If none of those 40 colors match your design aesthetic, we also have the ability to do custom colors through our ANYCOLOR program. Through this, we can match to any commercially available color, whether it's from Pantone, Behr, Sherwin-Williams, or Benjamin Moore. With our custom ANYCOLOR program, you have complete design flexibility and creative freedom. So with all these color choices to make, where's the best place to start? We like to suggest to think about what effect you want to have in the space. Do you want the grout to contrast to make the tile pop? Do you want to complement the tile, bring out a design feature like veining in the tile or stone? Or do you want to camouflage to blend in and open up the space visually? We can take a simple white tile, and just by changing the color of the grout, we can change the complete mood and feeling of a space. Here we have 4 examples with the same tile going from a light, subdued color to a very bold and impactful color. And you can see how that changes everything. You also want to be very careful of the lighting in your space. Whether you're using natural light or warm or cool light, it can affect how that color is perceived, even with the same color grout. Also be aware that lighting changes throughout the day, so you need to look at it at different times as well. To help you make your color choice, we have a variety of different tools available. We have online color selectors, we have plastic and paper grout channels, as well as physical profile samples, each of which can be brought into your own space. Maybe. So with that, I'd like to highlight 3 different products, all of which are available in all 40 of our standard colors. These are great options for your next project, but we do have other options available as well. We are the only manufacturer to be able to offer seamless complementary colors across profiles and trims, grouts, and caulks and sealants. No longer do you have to choose a close enough color from different manufacturers. I'm going to start with the profiles and trims. As I said, these are often overlooked and wait till last minute, but they're an integral part of the design. These are available in the same 40 colors as our grout, and ensures that your installation has a seamless and polished look from start to finish. A little bit more about our color coordinated profiles. They're made of high quality aluminum, which gives a good balance of performance, both durability and strength. They have a matte textured color appearance, which gives you a sophisticated and refined look. Also, we offer them in a variety of sizes and styles. That means that they can work from anything from thin glass mosaics all the way to thick porcelain tile. That brings us to SPECTRALOCK 1, our ready-to-use grout. As a single component grout, there's no mixing required. It's color consistent right out of the bucket. It's stain-proof and requires no sealing, so there's no secondary steps with it. Best of all, with this convenience, you don't give up performance. It meets and exceeds the ANSI A118.3 spec, the only single component grout on the market able to claim this today. With SPECTRALOCK 1, you get a consistent, high-quality result every single time. And to round out the system, we have LATICRETE. This provides durability and flexibility. We recommend LATICRETE in any place where you have transitions or changes of plane, where you need that flexibility to accommodate movement. It's a 100% silicone product, has antimicrobial properties, and is available in all 40 of our grout colors, as well as through custom colors through our ANYCOLOR program. So with that, I'd like to shift from talking about the products to allow you guys to have an opportunity to see the products hands-on. So anybody who's interested is welcome to come up. What we're going to do is we're going to show our SPECTRALOCK 1 product with the coordinated grout profiles to go with it. As we pull it out of the bucket, you'll see that it's color consistent, it's got a nice creamy feel, and it's easy to spread. So anybody who wants to take a turn is welcome to come up at this point.
How you doing? Good. Do you want to pair gloves? Gloves? Hey, what about gloves? This is pre-mixed. This is pretty much how it comes out of the bucket. Nice and creamy. This is smooth. All the time I did it before. I talked about the full wall. Wall. Right, it was sagging down. Yeah. Was it the regular SPECTRALOCK or was it the outside one? The regular? So the SPECTRALOCK Pro Premium has good non-sag bodies, but you can leave 10% out of the powder just because it doesn't sag as much. But this should feel really nice.
So you can see how creamy it is, how easy it is to spread, and then how it goes into the grout joint easily.
Well, you didn't do any pre-seal for cleanup or anything, so
No.
that would be my next thing, is the cleanup. Because I work with epoxy. I mean, I do this for this. I work with epoxies, and some of the cleanup can be, pretty good at layer to film. So how's the cleanup on here? That's a pretty color there too.
Yeah. questions that we can help answer?
Sunlight gets a yellow, you need the blue light or whatever, like the natural light. All right.
Does anybody else want to give it a try?
Anybody else? We don't buy
Could you go back? Could you go back to the presentation for a second? So what we did here today was we did 2 different colors. We're going to be doing demos in the booth throughout the week here. We're going to be doing the 3 other colors here, and you can see how a lighter grout to a darker grout will change the appearance with the same tile. Please stop by our booth if you have other questions as well as we go. As we wrap up here, I just want to leave you with a couple more takeaways to think about next time you're designing a space. 1, include the grouts, the profiles and trims, as well as the caulks and sealants right in your initial design phase. It's really important not to think of them as an afterthought. Start with the focal point of your design. Choose colors that are going to complement the space and what you're going for. And then keep in mind that you can simplify your color selection process by selecting any one of our color-coordinated products. If you guys have any other questions, please stop by and visit at the booth, or feel free to come forward. Thank you for your time today.